advisory is in effect.
I think this might repeat over here.
Rainfall amount of 4 to 7 inches across most of Vermont. And the eastern slopes of the Adirondack.
Yep, there, you can hear it going off.
The National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a flood warning for the East Branch Ausable River at Ausable Forks.
Yeah.
From this evening to late Monday night, or until the warning is canceled. At 7 p.m. Sunday, the stage was 3.4 feet. Flood stage is 7.0 feet. Major flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage by Sunday evening and continue to rise to near 13.0 feet by Monday morning. The river will fall below flood stage by Monday evening. Impact at 13.0 feet. Severe flooding will be seen in Ausable Village. Businesses near the river will be flooded. Several feet of water will cover Interville Avenue, and evacuation of homes may be necessary. There will be extensive flooding of routes 9 North and 73 in northern Essex County.